on, guys? Wes back with Auto Mafia Racing, and as per popular request and what I promised to do last night in the comments section, I'm going to do an update video on the Coyote swap Fox body. So one thing we've done actually is we actually went back around and we fixed all of the tires and wheels. And by that, these wheels they were really old and they're really, I mean, they're kind of cheap, but we just wanted them to stay on because we like them. But the problem was the chrome was peeling off, which basically caused them all to go 100% flat. So Tommy basically took all the tires back off, and he basically had to use like a flapper disc and grind down all the chrome off the inside, and then wire brush them, clean them all up so that the tire could actually stick and not leak. But other than that, it is looking good. We have made some progress. The wiring harness is going on. You can see a lot of it's being, routed back towards the back. Obviously, we still have some more wiring to do, but we even cleaned up the harness some. One thing we noticed, apparently, I got the harness for the wrong gear, car versus motor, or whatever, engine, because the crank position sensor, the cam position sensors, those aren't cam position sensors, whatever these things are called that I'm spacing right now, the cam position sensors are on the back of the motor. Those fit fine, but I don't know. I'm spacing what they're freaking called, guys. Either way, the sensors are the wrong size. It changed, I believe, in 2015 to 17. They went with a Gen 2 motor, so I think I have a Gen 2 harness. I don't remember even having a choice in it. But either way, we'll change out the sensors, or we'll just declip the wires and put some new clips on them. That's not a big deal. We do have our battery box from Melee Designs. It's kind of a little loose right now, so we're gonna build a bracket for the bottom down there to hold it. And we are using this full throttle battery for it. Should be good. Fits real nicely right there. I'm really happy with that. But yeah, this is what you guys wanted to see. It's just wiring. We haven't been going full at it because we're building a whole lot of turbo cars lately and doing a lot of machining. Got the machine running right now. But yeah, guys, like I said, not really much of an update. I know this is gonna be like a 2 or 3 minute video probably. Who knows, maybe I'll keep talking. But yeah, so we basically just been doing wiring here and there on the car. We're almost done with a couple of turbo cars. I'll show you real quick, because once they're done and out of here, we have more time to work on the Fox body, because simply put, we don't have enough lifts for what we actually need to work on. So we have our S550 right here. The kit design is finished. The hot side is done. The cold side design is done. We just have to wait for some more parts to get here. Some 60-degree and 45-degree bends in silicone. So I can't make those, obviously. But yeah, so some silicone bends will get here, and then this one will be done. Another 500 to 600 horsepower S550. It's gonna be pretty dope. I'm very, very excited. I'm really enjoying making these turbo kits, and as you can see, it just looks sick. And then of course we have this other one, which you guys will see soon in another video, because we did another install video, just because this car is so clean. Look at that, it's so good looking. And this is the S197 kit, officially finished. I'm not making any more design changes. It is done, and it looks amazing. I take it back. There's one thing that's not on this car yet, because they're not quite finished. We have to make them still, but they're almost done. That's what we're making right now. And that's a oil cap. That one's just plastic. We're making some billet aluminum oil caps, but this thing is pretty awesome. Only thing that I have left to do is finish tuning it, and I'm not gonna do that until I finish the exhaust. But this exhaust, he wanted to keep his axleback, catback exhaust on it. So basically I had to get some transitioning pipe that goes from a full 3-inch down to a 2 1/4. Why? So it's a 3-inch to 2 1/4 split, and then I'll be able to finish his exhaust, which would be pretty awesome. So very excited about that. But yeah, we got Zach's engine out of the car. This is kind of gonna be there's an update on everything. So yeah, we'll just do that. Zach's engine is out of the car. This is obviously Watch My Eco's EcoBoost Mustang. See some machining going on. Pretty awesome stuff. But yeah, So his engine is out. It is getting upgraded to 12mm head studs. The head is getting ported and it's getting bigger cams put in, the Ford Performance cams. So that'll be pretty awesome. On our side, we have the cranks, the crank pulleys, and the blocks to build our motors, which is gonna be awesome. Really stoked about that. That's just more turbo kit stuff. As you can see, we literally have fabrication supplies everywhere. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, guys, so that's kind of the update with the cars that we have here. We haven't done anything with Hurricane or Cyclone. I will admit I have put them both up for sale, and here's my plan. I don't need 2 drag cars. I never intended, when I was buying Typhoon, I didn't think I was gonna get it, basically. The guy wanted a whole bunch of money for it. And then I bought this front end for Hurricane. So now I have 2 cars that can't go on the street, essentially, and that was never really the plan. So I'm probably gonna keep them up for sale, and whichever one sells first, and the other one I'll keep, so that we can keep playing, because I can be real, I'm not rich by any means, so I can't afford to build a 7-second car and another 8-second car right now while building everything else. One thing at a time. I'm gonna get better at that, guys. One thing at a time. So we do have an engine coming for Hurricane. It is a built motor, high compression, custom camshafts, and our ported heads mated to it, valves, springs, everything. It's gonna be awesome. You guys are gonna be really, really excited, I think, by what you see there. But yeah, like I said, lots of stuff going on. Barras, transmissions for Barras, all kinds of stuff going on. It's gonna be awesome. And we will get the Coyote builds finished sooner rather than later. It's pretty much next on the list. As soon as my 2 other lifts are cleared out, it's gonna go and get done, because it's mainly just wiring right now. Pretty much all that's left is the wiring. And then we'll be tuning, which is really super exciting. We also have to run all the brake lines. We have to make the custom power steering lines and the custom AC lines, which nothing super crazy. Again, just takes time and it's really boring stuff. You're not gonna really want to watch it. So I will make another video updating everybody about that type of stuff, and you guys can see exactly, you know, what we're doing. Looks like Zach, aka Watch My Eco, just pulled up in his borrowed Cavalier since his car's still broken. We do have the Subaru that's gonna get a whole bunch of work too, guys. But like I said, check back for more Fox Body stuff, more Coyote swap stuff. Message us if you have any questions. Comment below if you have any questions. We'll answer everything we absolutely can, I promise. But that's it for today, guys. I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get 20,000. We're almost there. We'll see you.